Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home children. Very good. Myself I'm going to take EVS subject for you all. Okay? You're all very happy? Yes, now today we are going to take EVS subject for you all. Okay. Before that, before going into the subject, you all know that the whole world is suffering from a new virus called COVID-19. Yes, this is caused by a virus called corona. Yes, very good. This virus started from China. Many people lost their life. Okay, children? Yes. But nowadays it is spreading in our country more and more. So we can prevent this disease only by stopping the spreading of this virus. Okay? Each and every one of us should be take care of ourselves and others also. Okay? We should definitely follow the government guidelines given. Okay, ma? See here, we have to wash our hands properly with soap and water. If you feel unwell, stay at home. Don't come out of your home unnecessarily. Yes, very good. You have to cover your nose and mouth with the towel. Don't sneeze. Okay? Don't sneeze and cough in front of everybody. You should use a kerchief or towel. You have to cover a face mask. It should cover your nose and mouth also. Good. Then you have to stay at least 1 meter or 2 meter distance from other people. Okay? Avoid touching your face and nose. Okay, Kanna? Everybody should stay home safely. Stay healthy. Okay? Good. Very good. See, now we are going to take EVS. We are going to study now EVS subject. Before that, you know what is EVS? EVS is environmental studies. Okay? In environmental studies, we are going to learn about our nature, neighbor, universe and many more things. Okay? This is our EVS Little Thinker book. See the first page. See the front page everybody. Now everybody take your EVS book along with you. Okay. Now take your EVS book and your pencil, eraser, sharpener. Keep your pencil sharp. Okay. And sit along with your parents. Okay, Kanna? Good. Very good. Super. Have you all seen the book? Yes. See our first lesson. Now we are going to see about the first lesson. Before that, see this is our class 1. Our subject is EVS. Lesson 1 is about me. What is our lesson name is? About me. See class 1, our subject EVS. The lesson 1 is about me. ABOUT. About ME. Me. About me. Okay, Kanna? Okay. See, before that, in going into the lesson, here, how we will introduce yourself to others? See here, two child are standing here, no? See how they are going to introduce themselves. How they will introduce? They will shake their hands. But nowadays, we can't shake our hands. You can say namaste and you can join a hands and say. Join a hands and say namaste and you can start introducing yourself. You can say introduce your name by my name is. You'll say that boy will say my name is Raj. Then the girl will say my name is Riya. So like that you have to introduce yourself. Then you can say how old are you? Then you can say I am 7 years old because last year you studied in UKG will be 6 years or 5 years. Now you came to first standard, you are now 7 years old. Also, you can say that I am 7 years old. Very good. Then he will ask, where do you live? Then you have to say, I live in Salem. Good. Then you can say, I study in class 1. Okay. They can ask you also about the school name. I study in Jairam Public School. Good. Then you can say about your favorite food, which food you most like that you can introduce. See here, this is a self introduction. Let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is. You can say your name. My name is whether Ramu, Raj, Priya, Rupa, any name, whatever your name, you can say. I am from. You're from which place? That is Salem. I am dash years old. How many years old? I am 7 years old. I am a student at Jairam Public School. Your school name you can say. My hobby is. What is your hobby? My hobby is to read more books. I like to read more books. Like that, you can have many hobbies. You can play, you can watch TV, or you can read books, you can swim. Like that, you'll be having many hobbies. Like that, you can say about your hobbies. Okay. Next, I would like to be a. What you like to be a teacher, a dancer, like that. Whatever hobbies you want to, whatever you like to be, you can say about that. Okay, this is the self introduction. This is the basic. Okay, ma. Next, we can go into the chapter. Yes, see how the book is. See the first lesson. See page number 1. Good, very good. This is exercise number 1.1. The name of the lesson is About Me. ABOUT. About me. Okay. See here. Here you have to see this giraffe. See this small giraffe is standing here. No. Here you have to paste. That is paste your photograph. What is that? Photograph means your photo. Passport size photo or any photo. It should be recent photo. Okay. Don't paste your baby photo and all. Paste your photograph in the frame given. They have given you one frame. No. Yes, at home and all we used to have the photo frames like that. Here you are going to paste your photo. Okay. Then after that, my name is. You're going to write your name because you're having your pencils ready. No. Yes, after a long time now you're going to write. Yes, very good. Along with the parents' guidance, now write neatly your name. You have to write your name with your initial. Okay, Kanna? You have to write your name. Good, very good. Now write your name. After that, I am dash years old. I am how many years old? You're 7 years old. No, if it is 7, write 7 years old. Like this, you have to complete this page. I'll be waiting for a while. You can complete it. Okay. You can write your name. My name is. You can write your name here. My name is. Your name and initial. You have to write your name neatly. Start the capital letter. First letter should be capital. Then your initial also should be in capital letter. Okay, ma? I am dash years old. If you're 6 or 7 years, you can write I am 6 years old or 7 years old. You have to write. Okay, ma? Yes. Shall we start to the next topic? Wait, once again I'll say paste your photograph in the frame below. You have to paste your recent photo here and you have to write your name. My name is dash. You have to write your name with your initial. I am dash years old. You have to write 7 years or 6 years old. You have to write it there. Okay, ma? Okay, and I'm going to the next page now. Okay? Yes. Now see this. Fill in the blanks with your address. This is 1.2, page number 2. Here we are going to write your address. Okay? They have given you my home. What is this? My home. My home. M-Y, my. H-O-M-E, home. My home. Okay? You want to write your house number. Why we want to know our address, you know, children? Yes, whenever if you're going out, if you come to mist, you have to know your address because everybody will be knowing their address also. No, yes, everybody should know your address. Everybody should know your parents' name fully, your house address, and your parents' phone number. It is very safe when you're going out. If you're missed out, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, because other people will help you to get you back to the home. Okay, Ganna? Yes, everybody should know your home address, your phone number, and your parents' full name. You should know. Okay, and which place. Okay, see. Okay, we can go to the address chapter now. House name, house number. Sorry, house number. You have to say HOUSE, house number. Every house will be having a number. Like that, you have to write house number. The name of the building. Which building your house belong to? The name of the building, whether it is Crescent building or apartment, any other thing, you have to write it here neatly with a clear handwriting. I want a very very clear handwriting. We'll be having a homework track also. We will check in that. Okay, ma? Along with the parents' guidance, you have to write it neatly. I know you're all having a very very good and smart handwriting. Everybody should write it. Okay, ma? Okay, next is street. What is your street name or village name? Which street or village you have to write it here. If it is first street or third street or 10th street, you have to write it here. Okay. Next, you can go to city. What is this? City. Where do you live? We live in Salem. No, Salem is a city. Yes, Salem is a city. We have to write Salem here. Salem, Salem. Okay? Yes. Next, state. Which state we belong to? We belong to Tamil Nadu. Yes, very good. We belong to Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next, pin code. Which is your address pin code you have to write. Okay, ma? See, this address with the help of your parents only you can complete it. Okay? With the help of your parents, write neatly and complete it soon, ma. Okay, Kanna. Shall we go to see about our school address? Okay. Okay. What is the name of your school? Yes, the name of our school is Jairam Public School. We will say in a short as JPS. What is that? Jairam Public School. Very good. Where is your school is residing? My school is on Dash Street. They have given you. My school is on Dash Street. Dash Street means what is that? It is residing in Shanti Street. What is that? Shanti Nagar. It is our school is in Shanti Nagar. Okay, Shanti Nagar. It is in. It is in which city? Which city? The place is Chinna Tirupati. No, Chinna Tirupati, Salem. Chinna Tirupati, Salem. It is in Chinna Tirupati, Salem. That is the name of the village or city. Okay. Which is in dash state. Which state we belong to? Yes, exactly. Smart. Very good, super. We belong to Tamil Nadu. Super. We belong to Tamil Nadu state. Next, the pin code. The pin code of our school is, we have to write here. Everything, all the address, everything is given in your book also. Let me also give you. Okay. See, this is Shanti Nagar, Chinna Tirupati, Salem, Tamil Nadu 636008. You have to write there. Okay, ma? Yes, once again I'll repeat it. My school is on Shanti Nagar. My school is on Shanti Nagar. SHANTHI Shanti Nagar. Shanti Nagar. Next, it is in Chinna Tirupati. It is in Chinna Tirupati, Salem. CHINNATHIRUPATHI. Chinna Tirupati, Salem. Super. Next, which is in Tamil Nadu state. Which state? Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu state. Super. Next, the pin code. The pin code of our school is 636008. 636. This is pin code is postal index number. Every district, every place have a different postal number. Okay, postal index number. Every place has a different number. Okay, like this, our pin code number is 636008. We have to write there. Okay, ma. I'll be waiting for a while. You can write it. This home address you have to get it from the parents help. You have to get the help of your parents. You have to write it here. This my school address, you can see this and you can write it. Okay, Shanti Nagar, Chinna Tirupati, Salem, Tamil Nadu 636008. Okay, ma? Have you all completed? Yes, everybody should write neatly because after a long time, after so many days, you are writing now. Yes, you have to write neatly, sit properly, and sit straight. Yes, very good. Everybody should sit straight and write. Yes, begin with the end in mind. What you are writing, it will be help in the future. Okay, begin with that. That is habit number 2. You know the habits, all the habits, no? Yes, you have to use only positive language. Habit number 1, positive language. Like this, you have to use all the habits in your day to day life. Okay, ma? Yes. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. That is, first you have to listen what the teacher is saying, then you can write. Okay? Yes, very good. Put a high five to your parents. Yes, high five. I'm also giving high five to you. Good, very good. Super. Shall we go to the next chapter? Yes, next topic. Good. Next, see this. Ah, beautiful. Now see this page number 3. Exercise activity 1.3. Draw a heart next to the activity or activities you like to do. What you like to do, you have to draw a heart symbol. What you have to do? You have to draw a heart symbol there. See the first one, draw and color. See, D-R-A-W, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. A and D, and. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Draw and color. See, if you like to draw and color, you can give a heart symbol here. You can draw a heart symbol. If you want to color, you can color it colorfully. Okay, ma? Yes. First you can draw. Later, after the session is over, you can take the colors and you can color it. Okay? Super. Very good. Super. You are all good in drawing and coloring, no? In previous class and all, we used to do coloring and drawing. Yes, very good, very good. Super, ma. Next, listen to stories. Ma'am used to say many stories, no? Yes, in the class also. Yes, yes. Listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen to stories. What you have to do? Listen to stories. What are the stories ma'am is saying? First, that is habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Yes, listen to the stories. Yes, you have to listen. If you are good in listening to stories, draw a heart symbol here. Next, read. That is good in reading. Reading the books. Good in reading books. R-E-A-D, read. You can draw a symbol here. Good. Yes. If you're good in any one thing or all, you can draw a heart. Play, P-L-A-Y, play, W-I-T-H, with, M-Y, my, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Play with my friends. If you're good in, if you want to, if you like to play with my friends, with your friends, you can draw a heart symbol here. Good. Next, if you are good in singing, you can draw a heart here. S-I-N-G, sing. Next, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. If you're good in dancing, you can draw a symbol here. Heart symbol you have to draw. If you're good in everything, if you like to do all these activities, you can draw and symbol in all the activities. If you like in one or two activities, you can draw that symbol in one or two activities. Okay? Good, very good. Next thing, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. W-H-A-T, what. Y-O-U, W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, B-E-B, W-H-E-N, when. Y-O-U, G-R-O-W, grow. U-P, up. I-N-N, T-H-E, the. B-O-X, box. B-E-L-O-W, below. Draw what you want to be when you grow up in the box below. See, they have given you, draw what you want to become when you grow up. After you're growing up, if you want to become a doctor, a teacher, a lawyer, if you want to become as, you can draw that picture here. Whatever you want to draw after you're grown up, you have to draw the picture here. Good, very good. Okay, children, everybody should draw here. Everybody should be safe at home. Okay? Okay, children. We can see the next topics in the next class. Okay, ma? Thank you, children. Be safe, stay at home, be good. Good. Thank you.